front of me is HONOR Magic8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, go into Play Store and download all apps you wanna set up as your new defaults. I want to change my browser, so I will download Firefox. And after it's done, go into Devices Settings to continue. In Settings, scroll to tab on Apps. Select Default Apps here, and then click on any section you wanna manage. As I mentioned, I want to change my browser, so I have to click here. Click on Firefox to apply it and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!